exercise program that you can follow along with me so you can undo the years of spinal damage that's built up that's created low back pain. Then at the end, I'm going to show you some great structural exercises that will actually stop any type of degenerative patterns, help restore motion, strength, and the proper posture so you don't end up with that old man posture as you age. Hi, my name is Dr. Rob Bates. I'm a chiropractor for the last 38 years. I'm 66 years old. And just follow me along with this. This is something that's worked out really great for my patients. And if you do this type of exercise every single day, you're going to go from a stiff, weak spine into a mobile, pliable, strong, healthy posture that's going to avoid that old man posture and old man spine. First thing you want to do is get motion. So you just want to brace abdominals. We're going to get trunk rotations. Just want to get 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We want to get the shoulder blades involved, so still brace abdominals, but cross the arms over. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Lunge to the side and make a fist, and you just want to get the shoulders involved here. So get 10 rotations, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then just reverse that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great. Interlace your fingers, place them on your forehead, bring your chin to your chest, brace abdominals, and resist this motion going back. And then put it on the back of the head, bring your chin to your chest, but resist it. Elbows out, and do 10 repetitions. This is 2, 3, and this is going to help free up that neck off the shoulders. It's going to release the neck, which will help the shoulders. I believe that's probably 7, 8, 9. Resist. The idea is giving that resistance. It's more of an eccentric contraction or tension over time, and it's lengthening that area. So it's going to stretch that area out. Stretch your legs out slightly. Bring your arms up, squeeze the shoulder blades together, and you're going to do good mornings. You're going to do 10, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can do more if you like, but we're going to do 10 today. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now spread the legs out a little more. Come on down. Reach for the ground. Rotate up. 1, 2. Get that mid back going with the hips. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lunge. You can use your left leg if you like. Just go ahead and interlace your fingers, reach up, straighten out the back knee as it lunges, and just lean into that, and then push off your foot. Do 10 repetitions. 3, 4, 5. It's going to release the ankle all the way up into the hip. 8, 9, 10. Switch sides, interlace, reach out of your shoulders, lean to the side, and start pumping the ankle. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent. Now we're going to free up the spine. So you want to do cat-cows. Just arch slowly, do 10 repetitions. So you're going to come in here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You may hear some little pops and cracks. 10. Now we want to start strengthening from the inside out, get that core going. So you want to go ahead and brace abdominals, go into the bird dog. And with this bird dog, you want to extend the heel out, make a fist, don't overarch your back or rotate. And you want to hold that for a 10 count. Relax and go to 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 4. So it's really good for anti-rotational factors, waking up all those muscles in the spine to help stabilize that spine, the little subconscious muscles. 4 and 5. Switch sides. Kick that leg out, toe goes up towards your head, make a fist, brace abdominals. You hold it for about 10 count. There's 2 and 3. So you're really going from the inside out with the core. 4 and 5. Now we're going to go into a lateral plank. You want to reach up, brace abdominals. Hold that for about 10 count. We're going to rotate back to the other side. Really good for the obliques, the QLs, actually hits the psoas too, believe it or not, all the stabilizers of the spine. 3, 4, 5. This is a great way to start getting into the day. Just do all these exercises. 6. It'll heat up the spine, balance out the spine, get you ready for your day. 7. 8. And keep that braced. And if you start seeing that you're failing a little bit, that's okay. Go down, do what you can. Your body will start getting stronger and stronger. Now I want to do abdominal curl-ups, but you want to keep the lumbar curve in here. So you roll up a towel, put it underneath your low back at the level of the belly button, brace abdominals, make a fist and curl up and hold that. And you hold for about a 10 count. And back down. And again, brace. You're going to really brace that abdominal. It's like someone's hitting you in the stomach. Back down. 3. You want to do about anywhere from 5 to 10 of these during the morning. But right now we're going to do 5. 4. Hold it. Hold that. Brace, 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 brace. You're just waking up that inner unit right now while keeping the neutral lumbar curve. Real important. Good. There's 5. Lift your heels up. We're going to do some glute bridges. Activate the glutes, because if you're sitting all day, you're going to deactivate the glutes and that core. So we got to start off on the right foot. 3. We're going to do 10 to 20 of these. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Now you just want to free up that low back, so bring your knees up, keep your back on the ground, take deep breaths. Rotate to the side. You might hear some cracks and pops. Do that for about a couple of diaphragmatic breaths just to release it. And then you're going to switch over to the other side. You want to do that anywhere from 30 seconds to a minute, sometimes up to 2 minutes. If you find it's really tight on one side, you may have to kind of stay a little longer on that side. Big diaphragmatic breath. Perfect. Now, to finish it up, it's real important to do this structural part because you want to reestablish the proper cervical curve and lordotic curve in order to keep the spine in proper alignment so those muscles have a good axis of rotation. So you're going to take a roll-up towel and two of them, one for your low back and one for your neck. Take the one in the low back first, lift up your butt, put it underneath your low back, right at the level of your belly button. Take one for your neck, place under here, open up your chest, keep your knees bent, and just breathe. And you're going to sit in this position after you've done those exercises anywhere from 5. I'm going to go try to get up to a minimum 10. The sweet spot is if you can get 18 to 20 minutes. So with this exercise program, we just wanted to restore some emotion, get some strength back, work on the postural exercises, get stronger, and get the spine in alignment here. If you want to learn some techniques how to self-release the low back and the SI joint, check out this next video. If you're new to my channel and you want more spinal home-based exercises, subscribe. We really appreciate serving you. Keep spreading the word. We'll see you in the next video.